Hello everyone! Today I'm making the Mediterranean Greek salad with feta cheese. Here are the ingredients you need for this salad. Here I have some black olives, feta cheese, some basil, bell peppers, tomatoes, lemon, green olives, I have English cucumber, red onion, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the onion. Slice it up nicely. I'm only going to use half of this cucumber. It's way too big. Go ahead and slice this. Now I'm slicing up the bell peppers. Going to add the green olives, black olives. Now I'm going to do the tomatoes. Now the leaves of basil. And the cheese. Now I just have to squeeze this lemon. I'm just going to put half of this lemon in. You can put more if you like, but I don't want to make it too sour. A little bit of salt. Pepper. Okay, so here it is. Everything sliced up. We're gonna go ahead and put olive oil. About quarter cup or as much as you desire. We're gonna go ahead and mix this. There it is, looking good. So now I'm going to go ahead and plate this. And there you have it. Here it's on a plate. It's just delicious. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Bye-bye!